How to check your payment status on Faces. When your client makes a payment through the website version, simply log in to your account, click on Payments, and you'll be able to view all the payments that have been made, along with the expected payout dates for each specific amount. You'll also see if a payment is still pending, meaning the person who requested a prescription hasn't yet paid the prescription fee. Once the payment has been made, you'll see that it has been completed, and it will just need to be processed on their end before appearing in your account. To ensure you receive your payments correctly, make sure you've set up your Rift account through Faces. If you haven't registered yet, you'll be prompted to do so in the Payments section. Click on the gear icon and complete any missing details. Our review team will then verify the information provided. If you have any questions about pending payments or your registration status, please reach out to us so we can double-check everything is in order. Once your details are submitted and approved, your payments should go through smoothly. Simply fill in the required information, and you'll be all set.